guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brianna. Today's video is going to be an all matte eyeshadow makeup look, and you guys are going to see me apply my base, my blush, my bronzer, and all that as well. But we're going to do eyes first today, so if you just came here for the eye look, you could just watch that. And it's going to be all matte, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose Reloaded palette, and this palette only cost $7. I did a review on this palette. It was last Monday, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below, and I'll put the iCard right now. And I just hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it and for comment, liking, and subscribing. Thank you guys, and let's get into this look, and we're gonna do the eyes first. So yeah, so I just want to tell you guys, for my eyebrows today, I used the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. It's in shade brown medium, and I actually got this for my mom for her birthday because she really wanted it, and I tried it out today, and it's weird because it reminds me of a pomade and a pencil together. Like, they made that happen, like, but it's in a pen type of thing, but it reminds me of both. And it basically has the light shade, the deeper shade, the highlight shade, and the definer shade. The definer shade is like how you would use your concealer, and the highlight is for up here, under, I mean. And I haven't used it yet. I will be doing that after I do my eyeshadow, so I will show you guys that after. I showed this shirt in my Black Friday haul, so if you guys do want to see that, I posted that video I think 2 weeks ago. I'll link that down below, and I'll put the iCard right here. So, or here, I don't know which side it's at. So I zoomed you guys in to prime my lid. Like, for the eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty Concealer in 9. I'm going to set my lid with this brush, which is the Morphe Arthur. What the hell? This like all came off already, and I only had this brush since the summer. And I like doing my eyebrows before I do my makeup, like the rest of my makeup, because I feel like it just really shapes them. But these eyebrows are looking very, very intense today. Like, on camera they're picking up more intense, but in person they do look intense. So we're gonna go into this shade first, and I'm just gonna use my Morphe M511 as per usual. And this eyeshadow look, I forgot to tell you guys, it's gonna be an all matte eyeshadow look because I always do a shimmer on my lid, and I don't know, I just want to do something different. And I'm holding my brush really far back because I want that color to be blown. But if I wanted it to be more precise, I would hold my brush closer to the tip of it, like where the bristles are. With the same brush, I'm going to just go into this shade right here. So I want to deepen that up a little bit, add like, I don't know, a little deeper color. So we're just going to go into this shade here on the opposite side of the first shade we used with the same brush. Like, this look is so easy that I'm using the same brush. You don't need to have like a lot of brushes. This look, you probably just need 2 brushes. And this is just going to add a little bit of like deeperness or darkness, and it's just going to make it a little bit more . So as you can see, that just added a little bit more dimension, a little bit more deepness. But you can see all the different colors that I did put on my lid, which is why I really enjoy this palette, because it doesn't get muddy. It doesn't look brown. So then the next color we're going to use is just this one, and we're going to put that all over my lid. And I'm just going to use, whoa, my Morphe G13 brush for that. And it's a fluffy flat brush, if that made any sense. And we're just gonna put that. And this color is a satin color, so it's not completely matte, but it does not have shimmer. I'm just applying this how I do with my shimmers, obviously not with my finger, but I'm applying it in the area where I put my shimmers, which is literally my whole lid. And then we're just going to go back and deepen it up with the color, the other matte color we were just using. So we're going to go back into this shade right here. I'm going to be using the same primer I've been using for the past few months. I don't even know when I started using it, but even this, the beauty part, the words are coming off. Why are they making packaging that the letters come off? Like, where does it go? Does it go on my skin? I don't know. But this is a Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. While the primer settles in my face for a little bit, I'm going to be using this color corrector by Makeup Forever. It's Ultra HD one, and it's an R40, and this makes such a big difference. I didn't know, like, okay, let me preface this. So for work I wear light makeup because I'm trying to be that person, because I like wearing makeup, so I'm trying to be that person that wears makeup to work, but at the same time I don't want to go to work one day and not have makeup on and people are like, oh my god, are you sick? I hate that effing comment. So I'd never gotten that, but I just don't want to be asked that, you know. But anyway, so I've been wearing light makeup to work, like no eyeshadow, but I do like foundation, whatever. So in the morning my under eyes are darker. I already have dark ones, but in the morning they're darker at 5 a.m. So I took this from my mom because she has so much good makeup, like different brands that she doesn't use, so I just took it. And I wanted to see if it will make a difference for me to wear less concealer, and it definitely does. Like, I haven't had to put so much concealer, because you know if you put too much concealer sometimes it could look cakey. Well, with this I literally put this and there's a little bit of concealer just to cover the orangeness of this, and it makes such a big difference. Like, I like it. I won't say I love it because I only used it for a week, but so basically you just squeeze the product up. I don't know if you guys can see that, and then I just dot it like that, only in my dark areas, which is like right here by my nose. I think it's hereditary because some of my uncles have dark circles too. So I just take my beauty blender and I just blend that out. And I'm gonna try to get into right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty dark. That's why I love an inner corner highlight, because it hides that. And then just kind of clean up my eyeshadow. So I color correct it, and I'm going to go in with foundation. And these are samples from Sephora, and they're the Beauty Blender foundation. And they only have one foundation, so. And let me tell you, I picked 3.75 because Sephora foundation matched me. Like on their app, if you put in a shade that you are from another company, or say that brand has more than one, if you put, like, for instance, in Fenty Beauty the foundation, I am 310, so I put that. But when I was, so basically you go onto the product that you want to get, and then you put Sephora foundation finder or something like that, or color match, whatever. You click that, then it takes you to find the brand that you have the product from, like the other foundation. So I put Fenty, and then I put shade 310, and it matched me to 3.75. But honestly, in the bottle it looked really yellow. I don't know how to, like, that shade, even online it looks very. And the other shade I got was 370, and these are both like warm tones or whatever. Oh my god, the lighter shade is darker. Can you guys see? The more yellow tone one is 3.75, and the more and this one right here is 3.70. Okay, I'm gonna listen to Sephora's match, whatever, the shade matching. I don't know how they do it, but that. And I'm gonna try out 3.75. Oh, this looks like just like the Fenty color. Oh my god, it's so bizarre. And I'm just using my Stila 33 brush to put this on my face. I don't even know how much you're supposed to use. I don't know what's the coverage. I really don't know much about it. But the shade range does suck. Not for medium tone people or tan or whatever you want to call them, skin tone. But for the deep, no, for the dark and the deep. Oh my god, like, why wasn't there enough? Like, there was literally like 2 shades, and then the whole middle range is like 30 shades. that's not right. I don't agree with that at all. Really wanted to try it because I personally have a hard time finding foundations that match my undertone to a T, and apparently this is good for it. Unfortunately, how it worked out is that they have so much middle tone shades that apparently it's good for people in like my category, but it's also really messed up because, for instance, if you have a darker skin tone and you want to try this, you're gonna have a hard time finding your shade. So, and I'm tired of making shades work for me. I just want something to match. Like my Fenty one matches me perfectly, but all my other foundations is not perfect match. It's like I make it work. So I'm testing this out for the shade, and also because apparently this foundation lasts all day, and I need a foundation that's gonna last at least 12 hours. No, at least, yeah, 12 hours, because I work for 12 hours and I can't be looking super crazy, you know. I have patients that look at me all day, even though I really don't care. Like, I feel like down the line I'm probably not gonna wear makeup every day to work, honestly, because that takes a lot of effort in the morning and I like sleep. But right now it's working out. But once I feel like, oh, I'm tired, I'm not gonna probably always wear it. It's really weird because this foundation matches me, but in the camera it shows that my neck is slightly darker, but in person it does match me. So I wonder if I use 370, which I think is supposed to be lighter, I wonder if I use that, if it would have looked more like my neck. I'll probably test it out tomorrow for work. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm not testing that out at 5 o'clock in the morning. So the concealer I'm going to be using today is a KKW concealer in shade 9. So in my description box, I'll keep you guys updated on the foundation, like if it oxidizes, if it looks cakey, if it breaks apart my face, if it doesn't hold up with my oils, like everything. I'm gonna leave that down in the description box when this video is uploaded, because today's Sunday, so I'm uploading this video tomorrow. So, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for giving me so much support on Instagram, for my Instagram post letting you guys know that I have a job. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys. Like, I love to see other people win, so it was nice to see other people congratulating me and being happy for me, basically. Because I'm on cloud like 100 right now, cloud 9, literally. Because that's how happy I am right now. All that struggle was worth it. And when I tell you guys I struggled in college, I struggled. Like, watch my college experience video, you guys will see how much I struggled. And I kept that, like, I played it down a lot, you know, because there was a lot of worse things that happened, but whatever, that's in the past. Alright. Oh no, I forgot I have my freaking eyeshadow. That always happens, and then I mess it up and then I have to redo it. I should do it. So I'm setting my under eyes with my Maybelline powder and a wet sponge. I love setting my under eyes with a beauty blender. Dry or wet, it doesn't matter for me. Actually, when it's wet, it looks less cakey, so I guess if I had to pick, it would be wet or damp. It's not wet, it's damp. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Veil Powder, and this has been like my holy girl powder for a few months now. A note to you guys, when you guys do use this product, if you're used to being heavy-handed with your brow products, just put light pressure, because I'm usually very heavy-handed, but I've just been putting light pressure because this product is very, very, very pigmented, so you don't need to put a heavy hand. Yeah, that made a difference. This product is very nice if you always use like a lot of brow products, because it's literally all in this one thing. For bronzer, I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, which is the Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light. Now I'm just going to use my Sephora, the one that you get when you become a VIB, and I'm just going to use that to bronze out my nose so it could look more uniformed. This brush, so we're going to use this little e.l.f. brush, and it's called the Detail Crease Brush, And I'm going to go back into my eyeshadow palette really fast. And I'm going to use the two shades I told you guys before, this one and this one. I'm going to use my favorite blush as of lately, which is the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush. And I'm just putting in Gimme Brow 4.5 in my eyebrows. I think we're going to just stick with the all matte vibe and not put any highlighter on because I don't feel like it. Anyways, for mascara, I'm going to do the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 2. So for the lip gloss that I'm going to be using today is the e.l.f. Alyssa Ashley lip gloss in Nude Rose, and I love it. Okay guys, this is my finished makeup look. I'm going to turn on the brightness a little bit because, there we go. That's a better representation of how I look. So as you guys can see, this eye look is like a light wash. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. And I hope you guys just have a great week, a great rest of your week. And comment down below any suggestions you guys have for future videos, or if you're enjoying the content that I am producing or creating. So let me know. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day wherever you are. And comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is on Thursday.